This one I bet you
Guys, I'm making dinner.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only feel like months. Move fast when you do what you want. Time for what you want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fine like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime, sign up what I want. Hope you doing what you want. Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Spin the mirror out of myself. Don't need me some fun. Shopping. Body, crib, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all the flex in front of your friends? How that works? Swear that you're doing the most. Whip, body, crib, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all the flex in front of your friends? How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, keep.
Look at how hydrated my skin looks after this mask. Like, love it so much. My face feels so awake. It feels very rejuvenated. I love it. I love it. Please, let's go make something to eat.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only been like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this sound, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fine like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime,
Sound doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out for myself. Sleep in the mirror, I doubt myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only been like months. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Hi guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog. I don't think I've introduced this vlog. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this vlog. So today is Monday, the day after Heritage. So it's a holiday. I'm home. I've just been having a relaxed day. Woke up so late. I haven't even bathed or showered. So there was load shedding. It's back now. I want to run myself a bath, relax, and prepare myself for the new week. And then maybe I'll do some work later on because I work with deadlines, guys, so my work cannot stop holiday or not. I still need to work, so either way. And then I'm gonna run myself a bubble bath right now, relax in water, watch something cute, make myself cute. My face needs to be washed as well. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys later. By the way, update guys on that shower KV. It fell. Those what's this, hooks are definitely not for something heavy like that. So since and I think I'll have to use glue. My biggest problem is that it makes everything neat. I'll just have to like try hide it when I'm putting it on. I don't know, but at this point that's the only choice that I have. It didn't work. It kept on falling and falling, and I was like, you know what, I'm done with this. So I'll see what to do.
Shopping. Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture. Whip, body, crib, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say you hit my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
Okay guys, I just put this on under my eyes because okay, these are the benefits. I'm gonna read it out to you. Brightening and firming, improve wrinkles and fine lines, anti-puffiness, dark circles, which have dark circles, relieve and reduce skin dullness. So this is what I used. Just gonna have these on. Lapho khona darling yakuthanda msebenza
Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only been like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing